Hello friends, here is Manisha Tripathi. My channel name is Learn World Knowledge with Manisha. In this video, we are going to discuss about some information of birds. So, without wasting time, please subscribe my channel and let's start the quiz. Question number 1. Name a bird belonging to South America that has a long, strong and brightly colored beak. Your options: A. Parrot, B. Pigeon, C. Sparrow, D. Toucan. Your right answer is toucan. Question number 2. Which black colored bird can fly, has a melodious voice and sings during the spring season? Your options: A. Cuckoo, B. Owl, C. Parrot, D. Peacock. Your right answer is cuckoo. Question number 3. Name the smallest bird in the world. Your options: A. B. Hummingbird, B. Parrot, C. Pigeon, D. Sparrow. Your right answer is B. Hummingbird. Question number 4. Which is the fastest flying bird in the world? Your options: A. Crow, B. Pigeon, C. Parrot, D. Peregrine falcon. Your right answer is peregrine falcon. Question number 5. Which bird has the highest amount of visibility at night? Your options: A. American goldfinch, B. Bald eagle, C. Cuckoo, D. Owl. Right answer is American goldfinch. Question number 6. Which bird has the longest beak among the following? Your options: A. Australian pelican, B. Blue jay, C. Great hornbill, D. Parrot. Your right answer is great hornbill. Question number 7. Name the bird that has the longest eyesight. Your options: A. Eagle, B. Columbidia, C. Parrot, D. Woodpeckers. Right answer is eagle. Question number 8. Name the bird that makes the loudest sound. Your options: A. Cuckoos, B. Osprey, C. Penguin, D. White-billed bird. Right answer: white-billed bird. Question number 9. Which state has quail as its state bird? Options: A. Jharkhand, B. Maharashtra, C. Odisha, D. Tamil Nadu. Right answer is Jharkhand. Question number 10. Birds do not have a particular type of body part. Which one is that? Your options: A. Eyes, B. Ears, C. Mouth, D. Teeth. Right answer is teeth. Question number 11. Which bird flies to migrate to longest distance in its lifetime? Your options: A. Arctic tern, B. Dove, C. Hummingbird, D. Sparrow. Right answer is Arctic tern. Question number 12. Name the smallest bird of prey in the world. Your options: A. Canary, B. Falconet, C. Goldfinch, D. Sparrow. Right answer is falconet. Question number 13. What is the total percentage of bird species that are native to the tropical rainforest? Your options: A. 40%, B. 50%, C. 70%, D. 25%. Right answer is 50%. Question number 14. Name the national birds of China. Your options: A. Eagle, B. Manna, C. Ostrich, D. Red-crowned crane. Your right answer is red-crowned crane. Question number 15. Name the flightless bird which is also the tallest bird in South America. Your options: A. Bulbul, B. Eagle, C. Peacock, D. The greater Riha. Right answer is the greater Riha. Question number 16. What is the scientific name of the pigeon? Your options: A. Adedi, B. Colbidi, C. Hawk, D. Owl. Your right answer is Columbidae. Question number 17. Where can you find the single largest colony of puffins in the world? Your options: A. Greenland, B. Ireland, C. North Atlantic Ocean, D. The Western Isles. Your right answer is Western Isles. Question number 18. Which is the fastest swimming bird in the world? Your options: A. Aditi, B. Flamingo, C. Gintu penguin, D. Grebe. Your right answer is Gintu penguin. Question number 19. Name the bird which has the longest lifespan. Your options: A. Atlantic puffin, B. Albatross, C. Falcon, D. White Terry. Right answer is B. Albatross. Question number 20. Name the brightly colored bird that eats with its head turned upside down. Your options: A. Flamingo, B. Macaw, C. Parrot, D. Peacock. Your right answer is flamingo.